Students learn by doing. So help your students master essential math skills and concepts in hands-on centers specifically developed for Common Core standards. Evan Moor's Take It to Your Seat Common Core Math Centers is available for students in kindergarten through 6th grade. Each title features 12 full-color centers that focus on a skill tied to a Common Core math domain, such as numbers and counting, operations and algebraic thinking, measurement and data, geometry, probability and statistics. Use these engaging centers to differentiate instruction, personalize learning, and assess students' understanding. Common Core Math Centers is ideal for the diverse learning styles in your classroom and to support English language learners and RTI Tier 2. Supplement your curriculum with these affordable centers from Evan Moor. Start using Take It to Your Seat Common Core Math Centers with your students. Visit evanmoor.com to view our resources.